In this example, we're asked to find the center radius form of the equation of a circle with center in quadrant 2, the radius is 3, and the circle is tangent to both x and y axes. So this problem is a little bit different. However, it's providing you with some valuable information. First of all, the circle is located in quadrant 2, so if you know anything about your quadrants on a rectangular coordinate system, it forms a C starting here. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and then followed by quadrant 4. So the fact that our circle is in quadrant 2, that gives us some very important information, and they're also giving us the fact that the radius is 3. Now, tangent to both x and y means that it's going to touch both the x and the y axis. A line tangent to a circle touches it in exactly one point. Here's an example of a circle tangent to the x-axis. It touches in that one point. So from that point to the center, that is called your radius, which is your y value, because notice y goes up and down vertically versus horizontal axis is this way. So anytime it's tangent to x, it's your y value, that's your radius. And then the opposite, if it's tangent to y, meaning it touches the y axis at one point, then that point from where it touched to the center, that's your radius. So your x value then would be your radius. So let's proceed with solving this problem. So with a radius of 3 and it's in quadrant 2, so you're going to go 3 units out in each direction from the point that it touches the x-axis and from the point it touches the y-axis. So this is what the circle is going to look like, because if we go 3 units from the x-axis to the center and 3 units from the y-axis to the center, we're at -3, 3 as our center. And so now we can go ahead and proceed with writing our equation of a circle in center radius form. So as we can see, if our center is -3, 3, we're going to remove the h, replace it with -3, remove k, replace it with 3. Our radius is also 3. We were given that information. And then we're just going to go ahead and write our equation of a circle, and there you have it, as one that's tangent to both x and y axis.